The next exercise is low root ending. The first three measures plus the first beat on the fourth measure are exact the same exercise from 5-finger pattern with root of 1 and 5. If you remember, yeah, those are exact the same. Right here, exact same up to here. But at the end, jump to low root, one octave lower. This is it. Basically, C right here. Don't worry about the reading for now, but left hand chord and one octave lower. And then you're gonna hit the root of the chord. Make the hit short. That is key of C major. So make sure when we transpose to different keys, the ending note is gonna be different. Root of one chord, make sure to hit that root of one chord. For example, if it's key of E major, it's gonna be E. If it's key of D major, it's gonna be D. And let's practice in circle of fifths. And E. Jump into next one. It's key of A major, so jump to A. Try out. Hit D. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Key of C. 2, 3, 4. One more. So I suggest you to break it down and practice first, one key each. Then once you can do all 6 of them, put them into sequence.